In this video, we will walk you through the installation process for a Streamline acrylic clawfoot bathtub. Before we start, please note a couple of items. These products must be installed by a fully insured and licensed plumber only. We are not responsible for any local code compliance for this product. Building and plumbing codes may vary state to state. Streamline shall not be held liable for all incidental damages or flood caused due to use of this product. Streamline shall not be held liable for all fees stemming from cost of installation, reinstallation, removal, subsequent damage, or transportation in a case of a product defect. To get you started, here are some tools that you may need: silicone, pencil, adjustable key, level bar, measuring tape, and safety glasses. Prior to beginning installation, please ensure that all of the necessary components have arrived with your bathtub. Should you be missing any items, please email us at support@streamlinebath.com or chat with us on our website, streamlinebath.com. Now that we have all of our items for installation, let's get started. Ensure that the floor at the installation site has enough floor support and is level. Waterproofing the floor is highly recommended. Determine the location of the drain pipe on the floor by taking measurements of the drain and waste location underneath the unit. Clean the drain hole area in preparation of setting the drain. The area should be dry and free from any debris. Remove the bathtub from its box. It is recommended that the bathtub is carried by a minimum of 2 people. Ensure to carry and set down the bathtub only in the upside-down position. Gently place the bathtub in the upside-down position on a tarp or cardboard sheet in order to avoid contact with any rough surface. Remove the safety caps from the bolts on the bathtub. Here is a quick overview of how to assemble the clawfeet. For further details, please refer to the installation instructions to determine which clawfeet are applicable to your bathtub model. Make sure to check that you have received the correct amount of bolts and nuts. Once the clawfeet have been installed, check to ensure that the clawfeet are aligned properly with the bathtub and are sitting snug against the bathtub. Once this is done, use a wrench to tighten all of the nuts. The following drain installation is applicable to drain models N-DWF-CH and N-DWF-GLD. For installation of drain model A-1840-0, please skip to 335. Take the strainer, place silicone sealant around it, and then place it into the drain hole, ensuring a tight connection with the drain L and gasket. Use silicone sealant. Do not use plumber's putty to seal. Insert the tailpiece into the trap inlet using the O-ring coupling nut and flange. The tailpiece may need to be cut for proper fit. 1 to 2 inches of the tailpiece should fit inside the trap. Slip the flange over the tailpiece and slide down to the floor. Assemble the T-section to the tailpiece, overflow and drain L using the coupling nuts and O-rings that are provided. Attach the tapered rubber gasket to the overflow L. Align the overflow L with the overflow hole, and secure the drain to the tub with the provided screw and overflow plate. Make sure a watertight seal exists on all drain connections. The following drain installation is applicable to drain model A-1840-0. Put the rubber gasket onto the strainer and through the pre-drilled drain hole. Next, place the flat rubber gasket onto the connector. Connect the connector with the flat rubber gasket, strainer, and rubber gasket, and tighten them by hand. Then use a wrench to tighten the connector. Proceed to place the provided flexible drain hose into the floor drain. Please note, the flexible hose is a basic way that we provide to connect to the end plumbing in a home. The plumbing installation in every home differs, so please consult with a certified plumber to see if the plumbing in your home is compatible with using a basic flexible hose. Seal the connection by using a PVC pipe sealant to join the parts together. You have now successfully installed your Streamline bathtub. We hope that you enjoy your first bath, and do not forget to set up your complimentary bamboo bathtub caddy with it.